Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing crafts and DIY projects, and I've got some very exciting news to share with you. Soon I will be headed to Miami, and you can too. Recently I did a collaboration with Henry Ma, COO of Ricoma Embroidery Machines, and they have invited me to a really cool, very special event they're doing for the very first time this October in Miami at their brand new headquarters. So what is it? It's called DecoSummit, and it is a conference and a learning experience for anyone who is into the apparel business, custom stuff, or if you just want to learn about embroidery machines. Like if you're all in on embroidery machines and you're interested in getting one of those really fancy multi-needle versions, that is what this is for, and I'm really psyched because I think this is gonna be a great time. DecoSummit has quite the lineup already of speakers and experts, anyone from teaching you how to do embroidery basics to teaching a class on how to grow your business on Etsy. So there's gonna be a lot of variety, and there's gonna be dozens of sessions to choose from. Now I'm gonna give you some details on what I'm doing a little bit later on in this video, but if you'd like to get some details right now, I'm gonna link it below in the description box. And there are two different types of tickets. There is a regular ticket that runs from Friday to Saturday, October 11th through the 12th. And there's also a very special VIP ticket, and that's what I'm gonna be doing apparently, and that is from Thursday, October 10th through Saturday, October 12th. It does have quite a few more perks, and there's a whole extra day where you can get certified in using a commercial embroidery machine. So that is really cool if you are just getting into embroidery and you're hoping to make this some type of business. So this conference is gonna be different than your standard sewing retreat or something like a QuiltCon. This is really focused on people who have a business or want a business in the custom apparel and home decor space. So if that's you, you might be interested in this, so definitely check out all the details. And I am so excited. I really like working and talking to the people at Ricoma. They seem awesome, and they're gonna be in their brand new headquarters in the Miami area. So, I mean, who doesn't wanna go to Miami? It's been probably like 8 to 9 years since I've been in the area. There's a lot to do, a lot to see, and of course, great weather. And if this is something you're considering, maybe you make a long weekend of it, stay through Sunday, sleep in, check out Miami Beach, and maybe some of that beach nightlife. Now I'm kind of boring. I may hit like a Mickey D's or something, who knows. But of course, if you do go to DecoSummit, you will certainly see me there. I will be out and about, hopefully doing a little bit of vlogging, probably eating some junk food. And I will be teaching a beginner sewing class where we will be making DIY pillows just like the one I made in a recent video. And that is a VIP only experience. I know, premium here, yes. I just screamed VIP, right? I'll also be participating in a Q&A session with the speakers. I think we're gonna be talking about YouTube, business, social media, that sort of thing. So lots to look forward to, and I am so honored to be invited to DecoSummit, especially for the inaugural kickoff event. So I'm gonna leave all the details below. If you wanna check it out, you can. And if you've been curious to see what I'm like in person, you know, I mean, now's your chance. But in all seriousness, it's gonna be a great event, and I'm really looking forward to learning at this thing. I've never used a commercial embroidery machine, or even really like been super up close to one. So that'll be a first for me. But I'm looking forward to all the sessions, and actually they've already got them listed on the website. All the price information is there. So if this is something that intrigues you, definitely head right there and see what it's all about. And let's be honest here, if you live in a cold climate, this is a very convenient excuse to get you down here to Florida. Anyways, I'm Jennifer Moore here with the Sewing Report, and hopefully I will see you in October at DecoSummit in Miami, Florida.